Hi, my name is Xavier Williams. I am a member of Mahogany Youth Fishing. Mahogany Youth is a program in which it teaches kids how to fish and to be nicer to one another. It also keeps them from, staying off the street and off drugs. I was first enrolled in the Miami Youth when me and two other kids from the school of Bright Future got a scholarship for getting honor roll. And I guess you could say that after that, everything just went smoothly. We went shark tagging, we went to the Keys, we went to conservation meetings. It was just an overall amazing time. Mr. and Mrs. O'Brien are really good people. They've taken care of me, they've taken care of almost every kid they've been with. They've been with over 1,000 kids in just the time that I've pretty sure met them. Every year we do the summer camp. It's just awesome. We build robots, we go fishing, we go swimming, and they teach us how to do a lot of things that most people don't even do for their kids. And it's just an amazing, amazing thought that these people are this kind and this charitable to other people, and even to other people's kids that they don't even know. They're always outgoing and just always so friendly. Thank you.
Yo, it's a crab right here.
Don't touch the crab.
It's a small crab.
That's one of the crabs I was talking about over there digging.
All right, guys, come on over here.
Come on, y'all. You gotta catch the fish and put them in that basket box.
Oh, that's nice.
Not now.
I'll look at cats, man. Baby, pipe down.
They pushing the fish over here. They're pushing the fish over here.
Once he gets equal to you, you're both going into that little opening. So get a nice strong angle there, leave with the bottom of the pole. Beautiful. Go on.
Share the vision. We can see America litter-free.
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
You can save our landfill space. Reuse, recycle, and reduce your waste.
Reuse, recycle.
Please remember what we said. Keep the 3 R's in your head.
Reuse, recycle.
Say what?
Reuse, recycle.
Recycle.
Don't forget.
Reuse, recycle.
One more time.
Reuse, recycle.
Yay, thank you.
But you don't have to move as fast as well. You can slow yourself down. Sometimes thoughts are moving in your head fast, and you can slow yourself down. But you're going to have a technique in order to do that. And so we're going to do this once a week, but you need to keep doing it every day, 5, 10 minutes, even if you just practice your breathing. Practice your breathing. It's like any of you in dance, right? Don't you have to practice? Yeah. Any of you in Taekwondo? Used to be? You had to practice, right? You had to practice. Everybody's in school. And guess what you have to do? Study. And learn. And the way you learn and master everything is by practicing and going over it and studying it on a daily basis. So I'm not saying that you need to sit and do Tai Chi or Qigong like 30 minutes. 5 minutes. Just practice your breath. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do just kind of the basic things. So what I want you, anybody have any